doing honey and Hanukkah today. We're gonna make actually lukamades. It's with a fried Greek honey puff. I would call it a donut hole is what I really call it. And so the introduction of this is that the story of the Maccabees needed food quickly and fast, and this is symbolic of what they took. It's also, they cook it in oil because that's also symbolic because the candles burn for 8 days. And that's why they burn 8 candles. It's so interesting. I've learned so much about Hanukkah. I've really enjoyed it. So I'm going to tell you the ingredients. First off, you need yeast, and this is my favorite type of yeast, saf yeast. It works awesome. You have milk, sugar. I don't like to say the word sugar. It's a bad word for the honey queen. We've got salt, and that's kind of the first phase. I will be putting in here a cup of warm water, sprinkling the yeast over here, just 2 tablespoons of yeast, and letting that foam for about 5 minutes. While that's doing it, I'm going to mix a cup of warm milk. You never want to get that milk or the water too hot because then it doesn't really set with the yeast. You want it just about right at bathtub temperature. And a 1/4 cup of the sugar and a teaspoon of salt. When it gets to that part, I'll show you what it looks like for that. So, and oh, here's some of the ingredients you need to be having on hand. 3 eggs, 1/3 cup of softened butter. This is very soft. I can just almost stick my finger to that. Flour, we're gonna use 4 cups of flour. And then we'll cook it in about 4 cups of oil, depending. And at the end, we're gonna sprinkle it with cinnamon. And of course, cocks honey, so you have those things on hand. So while I'm heating the water and putting the yeast here to foam and getting that ready, we'll be back. Soft dough, I'm going to cover this for 30 minutes and let it set up. And while that's setting up, I'm going to make the honey syrup. So we'll go back over there while this is covered. All right, so while that is covered over here, it's a soft dough. I kept scraping it down every so often, but it's going to sit up for 30 minutes raising. I'm going to take a 1/2 cup of water and a 1/2 cup of honey. I'm going to heat it to a boiling and then turn it off. And it sets up a syrup that we're gonna drizzle over the donuts with the cinnamon afterwards. Yummy! Okay, so we'll be back. Set for 30 minutes. I stirred it and then it doubled again, so it doubled twice. And now it's ready to go. I need to get my hands wet with a glass of water to help form this ball. It's about 2 tablespoons in my hands. And it's not gonna be a perfect ball. I don't think they had perfect balls back then either. And then you put it in here and it cooks. It looks like a donut hole. It's gonna cook about 3 minutes on each side. I'll turn it, put it here to drain, and I'll show you how we sprinkle honey syrup that I made it. All right, it exactly made 40. I decided I like the smaller size better, and I have drain them on a paper towel. Now I'm going to put the honey syrup, just drizzle it on there, and then I will sprinkle cinnamon on it. And I'm going to serve them actually tonight as something. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel and share it with other people. Be sure to look at my Facebook page, my Facebook group, and my Instagram. Follow me so that you can find some more things to do with honey. I've always found it interesting to learn new things, and this Hanukkah thing is just really exciting me, all the different recipes out there. This is a keeper. Let's real some cinnamon actually right now. I think I had one I had bit into. There it is, right there. And it was good without the honey. Now I see this honey in. Okay, it tastes like a donut. It's a donut. Looks like a donut. It's a donut. Looks like a donut. It is a donut. 167 calories per whatever that duck thing is. Okay. So there you go, lukamades, and it's fried Greek honey puff. Have a sweet one.